Welcome back everyone. So today in this video I will be sharing an amazing application called Windhawk that give you tons of customization option to do with your taskbar. So if you really want to make a lot of changes, you want to make it more interesting, your Windows 11 taskbar, then you must surely check this application. So first bring up any of your favorite browser and in the search you have to type Windhawk, then hit the enter key and you will have to click on the first website, that is windhawk.net. And you will come to this kind of page, the customization marketplace for Windows program, and here you have to click on download, and it's a small file so it will be quickly downloaded. So click on the downloaded file, click on OK, then it will ask you the standard installation or the portable installation. I would recommend you to go with the recommended one. Click on next, click on yes, click on next, install, and the installation will be started. So it will take few seconds only, kindly wait, and then finally click on finish, and this kind of dashboard of the Windhawk will be coming up. Now here you will find tons of mods here to play with your taskbar, but I will be sharing few of them that I have personally tested and found very useful. You can also test the other application, other mods, and let me know that which one you find more interesting in the comment section. So the first one will be taskbar height and the icon size. And you can see around 19,000 users are still using it. So you can click on the details here. Then you have to click on install. And if you want to read about it, that how exactly it works. So basically it will be helping you to adjust the height and the icon size of the taskbar. So in order to enjoy it, you will have to click on install. Then you have to click on accept risk and install. Now you also might have a question that whether these mods are safe or not. So I made few research here. And all kind of mod that are being added in the Windhawk, they are being verified and tested, but still they give you the warning. But I have not found any problem. I have not seen anyone making any kind of report against this kind of mod. So I can say that this is absolutely safe and there's nothing to worry about it. And once it gets installed, you might be getting a message at the right hand corner. Okay, so once it's been done, now from here only you have to click on the setting options. And then you will find some options here, like you can adjust the icon size, the taskbar height, and the taskbar button width. So let's see if I want to increase it. So from 32 I can make it to 40. And if I click on save settings, so you can see the icon size are being increased. Now if I want to reduce it from 32 to 28, I can type that and click on save settings. And you can see the icon size are being reduced. Similarly, if you want to make the changes in that taskbar height, so instead of 52, if I make it to around 62 and click on save settings, so you can see the height has been increased. And if you want to reduce it, then you can also reduce it. Then you have the taskbar button width, and if you want to increase or decrease, then you can do that. So this is a basic customization that you can do using this mod. Alright, now in future, if you want to enable or disable this mod application, then you can do it from here, and all the changes that you have made will be reverted. Even if you want to remove it, then you can remove from here. Now next we have the taskbar clock customization, and if you again click on the detail section and click on install, click on accept risk and install, and once it will be installed, you can see the preview here. And if you look on your real computer now, on the right hand corner, you will find a different kind of clock icon. And it gives you all the detail, like what exactly the date is, what exactly the time is, including the seconds, and many more information. Again here you can click on the setting option, and if you want to disable the second, then you can disable it. If you want to change the time format, the date format, the weekday format, then you can change that. If you want to add any custom bottom line, the top line, then you can add from here only. Alright, so very interesting thing that you can do. Now in order to explore all kind of mod, from the top menu option you can click on explore, and now it will be showing you tons of mods here that you can check and use it. Now the next one that I will be talking about is the Windows 11 start menu styler, and again if I click on details and click on install, click on accept risk and install. So once it gets installed, again you can click on the setting options here. Now here on the top you will find the theme section. Now basically this is the best mod application that I found here. Now in the drop down, if you click here, you get few different options like no recommendation. Now what happened when you click on the Windows icon, you get all kind of these recommendation, and if you really don't want them here, then simply go with this first option that says no recommended section. Click on save settings, and the next time you click on the Windows icon, boom, so you can see all the recommendation has been removed and now it's a neat and clean page. Next we have the side by side option, and if I choose this one and click on save settings and click on the Windows icon now, so now you can see the all application, this section has been added on the right hand side. So if you want to make some changes and if you want some kind of new things in the start menu option, then you can surely go with this. Similarly, instead of the right hand side, if you want to make it on the left hand side, then you can go with side by side too. Click on save settings, and again if you click on the Windows icon, so now you can see it has been moved to the left hand side. Now next we have the side by side minimal, and if you choose this one and click on save settings, so it will show you the sidebar settings, but it will remove the recommendation. So now it looks more clear, and if you love this one, then you can surely go with this one. And now the last one is my favorite, that is translucent start menu. Then click on save settings. Now this time if I click on the Windows icon, so you can see it's totally translucent with no recommendation and looks neat and clean. So these are the options that you get with this kind of mod, that is Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. And similarly, you also have the Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Again, you can click on the details, click on install, click on accept and install. And this mod will be helping you to customize your taskbar and give you a different look of Windows XP or Windows 10. So again, you can click on settings. Now in the theme section, if you click on the drop down, you get three different options like Windows XP, the bubbles, and the translucent taskbar. Let's check all of them. If I click on Windows XP and click on save settings, so you can see the taskbar option has been changed and it looks very similar to Windows XP. Now in order to make it more real, right click on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and in the taskbar behavior, the taskbar alignment you can make it to left. Bingo, and now you can see that it looks more cool. And if you want to make it more better, then you can also just remove the search box. For that you need to scroll up and change the search option to hide, and now you can see that it looks more good and very different. So this is the first option that you will be getting. Now let me revert the changes and let's try the next one. And if I go with the bubble option and click on save settings, so now you can see you will be getting this kind of taskbar that comes with a bubble box. Then you have the translucent taskbar, and if I click on save settings, so now you will be getting the translucent taskbar that looks more better. Now similarly, there are many other mod here you can check here. It's not possible to share all of them, but yes, you can go ahead and try many of them, whichever you like the most. Please let me know in the comment section that which can be useful, so that other viewers can also know about that mod application. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found this application really useful. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.